Hello and welcome to our next InnovaPhone My Apps tutorial. In today's video, we would like to show you how to set up and manage call diversions and call transfers within the phone app and the softphone app. First, go ahead and open your phone app or your softphone app within the client My Apps. Click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner to open your My Apps settings. Now, click on Configure Call Diversions. You will be directed to your profile where you can manage your automated call diversions. You have various options. Select Always to forward every incoming call. If you select Busy, the inbound call will be forwarded if you are currently on the phone and if call waiting is deactivated or if you reject the incoming call. You can also select No Response. If you do not respond to a call, the call will be forwarded after 15 seconds by default. The admin can change this response time. If you activate call forwarding when offline on My Apps, inbound calls will be forwarded to the phone number entered in the field for No Response. This applies if you are offline from My Apps. You also have the option to set automated call diversions depending on your presence status. If your status is set to Busy or Do Not Disturb, inbound calls will be forwarded to the phone number entered in the field for Busy. If you are away, inbound calls will be forwarded to the phone number entered in the field for No Response. Active call diversions are displayed at the top of the phone app and the softphone app directly above the search field. Here, you can easily check whether a call diversion has been activated. You're also able to activate, deactivate, and manage call diversions directly within the phone app and the softphone app. Simply click on the tab Diversion next to your call history. Inbound calls can be transferred manually by clicking on the transfer button with the two arrows. You can either search for a destination or enter the new destination manually. By clicking on the transfer button next to a contact within your search list or next to the entry field, the call is handed over and the device of the destination will ring. Likewise, you can also transfer an already established call without consulting with the new destination. During the call, simply click on the transfer button. You can either look for a destination or enter the phone number of the destination. Then click on the transfer button next to the entry field or next to the respective contact. The call is handed over and the device of the new destination will ring. Things are slightly different if you would like to transfer the call with consultation. During your established call, click on Start Consultation. Look for the destination or enter the phone number of the new destination and click on the call button indicated with a green handset symbol. The first call is put on hold and a new call to the selected destination is initiated. Now, you wait until the call is established. You consult with the person and hand over the first call by clicking on the transfer button of the call on hold. Both calls are connected with each other and you are no longer involved. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.